Hi, in this video we'd like to come back on the important topic of Hyperemesis Gravidarum. Today we'd like to answer another common recurring question that we get a lot from anxious mothers who suffer from Hyperemesis Gravidarum. Does Hyperemesis Gravidarum come and go? Does this question means that whether or not they will get hyperemesis again in the future, or is it fleeting, only comes and go randomly? Maybe it will show up for a while and then go away. This type of question indicates that these women do not understand the full nature of Hyperemesis Gravidarum, and they also at the same time do not want to seek effective treatment because they believe they can manage it at home. Now, this is perfectly understandable because this is a rare condition. However, we do specialize it in this condition in HG at Antai Hospital. So as we've explained previously in our videos, HG is a lifelong condition because it's caused by presence of abnormal H2 receptors. As long as you are alive and you have had HG before in your life, very likely in your future pregnancies you will experience HG again. Severity could be increasing as well. It's very hard to say, but you will have symptoms of HG in each of your pregnancy because the presence of these abnormal receptors. These abnormal receptors are only activated during pregnancy because during pregnancy there is a new hormone introduced into your body, which is HCG. So the binding reaction between these abnormal receptors and HCG, when they are exposed during the peak levels of HCG secretion during week 7, week 8, this is also when Hyperemesis Gravidarum symptoms are the most severe and most obvious for all these patients, causing them to be hospitalized because they have endured some severe symptoms that we will get into. Once this binding reaction occurs, entire systemic body is hypersensitized, a reaction we call central sensitization. Neural signals are sent throughout the entire body, affecting organs, glands, tissues, affecting the entire system of the patient, and also can affect the development of the fetus. This Hyperemesis Gravidarum condition causes symptoms such as nausea, severe vomiting, dehydration, excessive salivation, insomnia, mental instability, depression, so on and so forth. It is a highly complex condition, and because of how it affects your intake of food, because of salivation and vomiting, it can lead to severe weight loss during pregnancy, and also your baby will not be able to get the nutrients it needs. So to answer a few other questions as well, yes, Hyperemesis Gravidarum can cause a miscarriage if not managed properly, and it can potentially lead to maternal death as well. So that's why here at Antai Hospital we do not want to take any risks, any chances. So we would urge you to receive proper treatment that we do offer here at Antai Hospital. Ideally, here at Antai Hospital, you come before pregnancy, receive 4 to 8 injections of our HG vaccine, and we can guarantee that there will be no symptoms showing up during pregnancy. This is our guarantee and assurance to all HG survivors who are seeking a smooth and healthy, natural pregnancy. For those who have already symptoms showing up in the midst of pregnancy, rest assured you can still receive our treatment. However, we may need to give you supplementation of other medications and treatments, and also IV drips because you've already lost some weight. We need to get you back to a healthy state, and then also manage your complications as well. And this can be different from each patient to patient, so we need to assess you on an individual basis. But in conclusion, at Antai Hospital, Hyperemesis Gravidarum is already a very matured, a very skilled expertise that we offer here for all patients who are suffering from this condition. We can effectively control this condition and even prevent it from happening in your future pregnancies. This is our guarantee and our assurance to all HG survivors and mothers who are anxious on getting another pregnancy but are avoiding because of how scary, how traumatized they are by Hyperemesis Gravidarum. So please get in touch with us via the website if you'd like to understand more about our HG vaccine, how the treatment works, and also make an arrangement to receive this treatment today. Please stay tuned to our next video and also leave me a comment down below.